Hello guys, welcome back once again to Docker tutorial in Windows 10, and in today's video friends I am going to show you how you can spin up multiple containers in your Windows 10 inside your Docker desktop. So you can see currently right now I am having multiple containers inside my Docker desktop. This one is HTTPD demo, nginx, and Frosty Helmet, which is going for this Selenium. So right now all these containers are in stop state. So let me start it one by one, and it's up now. So let's check what exactly these containers are meant for. So this one is your HTTP, and this one is your nginx servers. You can see welcome to nginx, and this one is the selenium, which I already shown you in my previous demo video. So how exactly I set up all these container and run all these servers, let's check out one by one, step by step. So what exactly I'm going to show you in this video is that I'm going to remove all these container one by one, stop it, and then remove it from the Docker desktop and rebuild it again through command prompt, through Windows command prompt. So let's open the Windows command prompt and check for Docker ps, and you can see that we do have three containers which are currently running, and this has the respective servers which is responding right now in our web browser. So let me stop it one by one and then we will remove it. It's always a good practice to stop the Docker container first before removing it. So it's in a stop state. You can also note down the command what I am firing, so you can easily take the reference from my video. I'm not going to remove my this container, I would like to keep it. So let's check Docker, and you can right now see that we do have only one container which is running. So let's check it on the Docker desktop as well, and you can see rest two containers gone. Now let's check Docker images. We have the image for nginx and httpd. If you would like to remove, you can also remove it. You have to just type docker rmi and the image id, it's removed, and then again repeat the same command for the other image as well. Just replace the image id and it also removed. So check docker images, and now we do have only one image left. If we are going to check Docker desktop now, then we have only one container left, and if we are going to check the image, we have only one image left here. So how we are now going to deploy the other two container, the HTTP and the nginx? So if you would like to take the reference, then you can go to Docker Hub and search for nginx, and you have the nginx image here, and for http you can search http as well in Docker Hub repo, and you have the respective command. But we are not going to follow this command. We are going to follow only one command through which we not only going to pull the images from the Docker Hub but also deploy the container. So how we can do it? Docker run in the background, and then port 8081 and map to 8080 port, and then name http demo, and here httpd latest. So this command will not only pull the image. I suppose I made some mistake. Oh, over here I have to put one more dash. So this command will not only pull the image from Docker Hub but also deploy the container as well. So let's wait for that. And now you can see we do have the container ID over here. So let's check Docker PS, and you can see we do have the Docker container running, and it is mapped with the port 8081 at the local host. So now let's move to next one. Just repeat that command and change the mapping port 8082 and put name nginx demo, and here you have to put nginx. So this is pulling the image, and after pulling the image it will deploy the container in our Docker. So all right, everything is done now. So let's check Docker PS, and yeah, we do have the nginx running on this port, nginx demo, and httpd running on this 8081 port. So let's check the Docker desktop, and here you have the three image, the httpd and the nginx server, and here we do have the three container running. So it was running earlier, I didn't make any change to this, and we have deployed these two again. So let's check all these container one by one, browsing to our local browser. So here is the selenium, here is the nginx. You can check the localhost port 8081, and what else we left with? We left with the httpd. So open this up and you can see it works. So this is running on localhost port 8082. So all works well. So this is the easiest method through which you can not only practice but also learn how to deploy the various images in your Docker container, in your Docker desktop in Windows 10. You just need to remember whatever image you would like to deploy in your Docker container. You have to just modify the respective port. If I would like to give over 3, then it will go to the localhost port 8083. So this is the easy mechanism through which you can easily get hands on with the Docker desktop in Windows 10. So guys, thanks a lot for watching. If you do have any kind of confusion with this, you can let me know through your comments.